Hey yo, this is Dash, and today we're going to be firing up Tracy. I'm going to be taking care of a little bit of steelhead trout. Yeah, I'm going to smoke some fish on a Traeger outside. It's a rather gloomy day today. Alexa, what's the weather?
Currently, in Baltimore it's 54 degrees Fahrenheit with cloudy skies. Today, you can expect showers, with a high of 54 degrees and a low of 52 degrees.
But we're not going to let that stop us. We're going to go ahead and we're going to get the Traeger fired up. We're going to get the steelhead smoked, and we're going to have a good brunch. Hey yo, this is Dash. Get ready. All right. So now that I have the Traeger started, I'm gonna go inside, get my fish cleaned up. I'm gonna bring it outside. We're gonna season it with some of Uncle Steve's Gator Shake. Love this stuff on seafood, by the way. Thanks, Steve. We're gonna get it seasoned, we're gonna get it prepped, and then we're gonna get it done. I'll be back in a minute. Alright, so now that we have our Traeger ready, we're going to get it set to 225 degrees, and I'm going to get my fish seasoned. Alright, so I'm back out, and we're using the table at Charlotte to get this seasoned up. But as you see, I have Uncle Steve's Gator Shake here, and we're just going to go ahead and get it seasoned. Now, keep in mind, the bigger piece of the fish can accept more seasoning than the smaller piece of fish, but I'm going to start on the smaller end, and we're going to give it a nice even coat. Kind of like coloring in the lines. I'm gonna get the edges, or the edge, and then I'm gonna come back and dust the entire thing. We're not gonna be bashful, lift up the end, make sure that the sides get seasoned well. We're gonna let this sweat for a second or so, and then we'll get it on the grill.
Moments later.
Alright, so I'm back out at Tracy. I'm gonna go ahead and get my trout loaded up. So, like I said, I let this trout sit here and sweat for about 15-20 minutes. And I'm gonna go ahead and get it loaded. Now, you see inside of the smoker I have a piece of aluminum foil here, and it's doubled over. I use the big wide pieces of aluminum foil. Now what I'm gonna do is just take my trout, I'm going to slide it onto the foil. Make sure the foil is centered and my fillet is centered. Down just a little bit. Okay. Make sure it's centered. We have airflow up and around it on either end. Now the next thing we're going to do is get a probe in here, a temperature probe. We're going to put it right there smack in the middle. Probe 1. Right down in the middle there. Get this closed off. Set this up. Alright, so everything's all set up. I have the trout in the smoker. I'm going to get my thermometer set up. Fish, change the taste, and I like to cook my fish to 140 degrees. We'll have it set. Now this will go off when we get to the temperature we need to. Probably take about an hour.
By sheer coincidence.
So while filming this video, I pulled out my phone. Come on. And those of you guys who are on the live stream, go ahead and say hi to yourselves. We got Alton. We were talking about asparagus earlier, so he says trash that asparagus. Oh my gosh, look at those comments just flying. So Alan says, yo, enjoy that trout making breakfast. All right, well, Jack, you enjoy your breakfast. Yep, all paid. So we were talking about other stuff. Thanks. Hi, Darius says hi us. Newcomb says, Dash, no, don't say hi to me, say hi to you. All right. CXK says hi. Ramonte says, what's up? What up? What up? Jay says, what's up? What's up? And Darius says, hey, yo. Alright. Wait, so then Eric says, hi, Eric W. Nelson. Sean says, what up, what up? VW Nerd says, yo. Alright, so Terry says, hello, me. And I look at Alton. This is, hello, suave mofo. Russell says, what's happening? So here's an inside look as to what you got, what I see when you guys comment when we're doing a live stream. So let's see. I'm gonna try and pull out and pull back in. See, this is what happens. Stuff pops up on my phone as we're doing this. So let's see what else is there. Eric says he's looking forward to seeing himself on a live stream. So this is pretty dope, and thank you guys. So you see, this is how I do the comments. This is why I use my phone, because when I touch the screen, I can scroll back up and back down on the comments during the live stream. So we're gonna get it. Yeah, you're gonna get a what? Eric says, you and Trout. I see you watching me, watching you watch me. Definitely. Terry says, my comments ain't working, so I can't see what people were saying. Well, I mean, sorry. Let's see, Eric says, you and your Trout? Yes, indeed. You are getting a dash eye view. You're a daggone sure, for sure. And I'm trying to move in so you can see. You need StreamYards. Well, the whole thing is StreamYard doesn't work as well on my phone. And I can slow the comments down from my phone. So because this is what you guys, so whenever I'm doing a live stream, what you guys can't see is I usually have my hand off to, so the camera is on this side, okay, and my hand is usually on this side. And what happens is I can slow the comments down so I can actually read them, okay. So those of you guys who have trouble with comments flying too fast, the problem is you can't slow them down. Well, I've discovered that the best way for me to do live streams is on my phone. Unfortunately, that does not allow me the ability to have anyone else use or be on a live stream with me. Newcomb says, enjoy the trout. Doug, you know exactly how I read that line. The Tropic Thunder. Brush that corona off his shoulders. Sure thing. And perfect. We are at 140 degrees. So I'm going to end the live stream. I'm going to tap that out so it stops beeping. I'm going to end the live stream. Guys, thank you so very much. Every stand between you two inch mirror and see yourself looking at yourself, looking at you. Oh my gosh. Come on, focus. All right. Great work. Joe says thank you very much. All right, guys, I am out. I am going to go ahead and get the rest of my cook taken care of. So thank you guys so very much for hanging out on the live stream. I'm going to look directly at you guys. Thank you guys so very much for hanging out on the live stream. I appreciate it. And thanks for helping to make my Saturday. If you saw the Humpty dance, you guys are winning for sure. Alton says, man, I used to roll in a black Jetta back in the day. I had the hideaway DJ in the trunk. I used to play Humpty dance. The Humpty dance, here's your chance. All right, come on, we're going to do some dancing. Come on, man. Stop what you're doing, because I'm about to ruin the style that you used to. You know, the Humpty dance, here's your chance to do the hump. Do baby. Do the Humpty hump. Come on. Do the Humpty hump. Yes. All right. So, those of you guys who were on the live stream, thank you guys for hanging out. But let's see. Oh, tripping over stuff on the porch. All right. So, my trout is done. Back out. The trout is done. I'm gonna go ahead and turn this off. opened up. Oh man, look at that there. Alright. So at this point, I'm gonna go ahead and get this off the Traeger and we're gonna get it in the house. Turn my thermometer off. That looks good. Alright, so I came into the kitchen and we have, come on, you're good, you can. I came into the kitchen and Taste Tester number 2 is making some of his famous pancakes, but I can't wait to get the salmon tail done. So if you guys missed it, I did a live, or on the live stream last week, he was down here and he was making pancakes, and if you missed his pancake flip, here's his pancake flip.
Flashback.
Come on, can you flip it? Slide over to the right. There you go. No pressure. What are you scared of?
Okay.
Get the get the pancake moving. Flip it. Commit. You only get one shot.
I can't.
Commit.
It's looking too good. I can't.
Come on, commit. Come on, no.
Okay, I'll do it. No, it's not happening.
Dude, do it. Flip it. Put some oomph into it. There you go. 2 hands. Yeah!
I'm so good. Follow me.
Oh my goodness. He is never gonna let us live that down.
So good.
Did y'all see his happy dance or what?
End of flashback.
He's amped, so amped about this pancake. Is this gonna be my pancake or your pancake?
That was going to be my pancake, but I can make a pancake.
Yes, I would appreciate the pancake. Okay. So, come on, get a fork, I guess. What do you want to take a piece from the head side or the tail side?
Tail.
Tail. All right. Get your own fork. Shoot. Here, actually, we can trade it because this is the bigger piece that popped off than that. Come in, what?
I like it.
What do you taste?
I don't know. I don't taste anything special, but I do taste like it does taste good. When I first bit into it, I think I tasted some of the fat, which was really good.
Oh, yeah, you had a piece lower on the. But do you taste pepper? Do you taste citrus?
Oh yes, I do taste a little bit of citrus.
Gosh, it's so easy. Oh,
I don't know how to like.
describe it.
Yeah, I don't know how to describe it, but it's pretty good.
Man, we need to go tell mommy because I can sit here and eat this whole thing. And it's pretty dang good. I like it smoked. I probably could have put even more seasoning on this. Yeah. Still trying to get them to, teach them how to learn him how to make pancakes. Oh man, this is good.
My pancake is looking very good.
Wait till you flip it over.
I did.
That don't look very good.
It's okay.
Yeah, it'd be okay for you to eat. Hold on, let me show you guys what he just did.
It's not funny.
It's funny.
I couldn't get
Look at what he what.
I tried to grab the little piece that was right here and it just kept on falling.
I guess we need to call mommy. Alexa, make an announcement.
What's the announcement?
Come and get the trout. The trout is done. Come and get it. So do you like this? I know, right? This is really good.
Yeah.
Thank you, Uncle Steve.
Should we share?
Dude, I'm telling you, I could eat this probably a quarter of this myself, if not half. So
Okay, that's the last piece.
we'll stop eating it if that's your last piece. You're still eating. That was my piece, dog.
What do you mean?
See what I have to deal with? Hey, look.
thank you guys that hung out with me on a live stream. I really do appreciate it. But let's roll the outro. Thank you guys again as always for watching. If you haven't already, please do subscribe. If you like what you saw today, if you learned something, please leave me a comment and a thumbs up down below. Don't forget to turn that notification bell on so you can be notified whenever one of these videos goes live. Speaking of live, I go live every Wednesday night, 9 p.m. Eastern. 2 hours. First hour we talk about barbecue and or something barbecue business related. Second hour we kind of shoot the breeze, talk amongst friends. Make sure you bring a cool refreshment with you. Anyway, thanks again as always for watching. I'll see you next time.
Oh, bottom, baby.